Gary Puddles? Tell me, sir, is that your God-given name?
Yes.
Really? Really? Your last name is Puddles? Why, it sounds like a joke.
Well, it's not.
You expect us to believe that your last name is Puddles? Puddles?
Mr. Fleck, where is this going? As I said, I'm not going to let you turn my courtroom into a circus.
Okay, but, with all due respect, Your Honor, don't you think it's a little late for that?
Don't try my patience.
Mr. Puddles, earlier this afternoon you testified that you saw me stab Mr. Clyde Huff in the neck a couple of times, correct?
Climb an offer. Yes, but so you.
And what else did you see that day?
You're stabbing him in